Morning all. Tuesday morning, 22nd of March. As you may see, I am in the van at the moment. A couple of things. First thing I'm going to show you is these. We have the cushions for the van. Yeah, Sue's covered them, so got this back one here, and let me just tilt this down a little bit like that. We've got this one here. Very smart, very smart. I must admit, the material goes pretty well. Anyway, let's bring you back to where we are. Move back over a little bit. So I have named this video to build or not to build, and you must be thinking, what is it I'm thinking about building and not building, and why is it in the van thinking about that? When I built this van, it was to be just for a day van, here and there, days out, picnics out the back, and if need be, as you know, I put the bed in the heater for a bit of overnight stays, camping by the coast, wherever. And been a little bit of think about what else I could do to the van, and talking to Sue, we've sort of decided, I'd say 90%, we're most probably going to turn it into a proper camper van. So you must be thinking, well, I've done all that work, what am I going to do regards turning it into a proper camper van? Well, what it would be is, the bed would be a proper fixed bed, not the pull out I have, and that would go across the back of the van here, so that would be permanently made up, with underneath would be some storage. Now, as you know, next to me here I've got two seats. Now that would mean these seats would have to come out permanently. I know you're all thinking, all this work I've done and now I'm just undoing it all, but at the end of the day, it's what we want. It's, you know, and I'm prepared to do the work, and it will give us the space we need to put a little kitchen in, either against the window, let me just swing this round, against the window here, or against the seats there. Oh, sorry if that light's right in your eyes. Or the other way around, kitchen against the seats there, and like sink unit and what have you. But it'd mean we could use it for more than just 1 or 2 days. Madness, you must probably say, because all the work I've put into it. But at the end of the day, all this is going to stay, all the bits and pieces and everything gets reused. It's a lot more work again, but it's something, like I say last time, this is a project I really did enjoy doing, and it's something what doesn't daunt me and turn it into a proper camper. To be honest, we've had no time out whatsoever in this, for obvious reasons, so we've not even tried it out as an overnight. But we are going to do a couple of trips while we're thinking about what we're going to do with the conversion, which way we're going to have it round, anything else we need to do. So I thought I'd do this little video just to keep everyone updated. There's been no further build goes on with this at the moment. There will be a lot more coming, especially when we do the conversion. I know I say thinking about it, and I think, but talking with Sue, I think we're both really 100% it's something we'd like to do, and do a few more days away, longer than 1 night, 2 night in the van. So keep watching. I'll say there will be more videos to come, hopefully a few more, a bit more exciting than this one, but until then, stay safe, and I'll see you all shortly.